Welcome to Understanding Logic Gates and Designing Simple Digital Circuits. After completing this lesson, you will be able to achieve these objectives. Describe the basics of logic gates, design simple digital circuits used in everyday life. What are logic gates? Logic gate is just like an electronic switch. They are found in everyday items such as washing machines, security lamps and video recorders. Logic gates depend upon switches being on or off state. A logic gate is a device that acts as a building block for digital circuits. They perform basic logic functions such as addition, multiplication that are fundamental to digital circuits. Working principle of the logic gate. Look at the picture. There are two switches connected with the bulb, all connected together a power supply. For the bulb in the circuit about to light up, both switches need to be closed, that is on. If either A or B is open, that is off, then the bulb will not work. The truth table gives us all the possible combinations of the switches. Here 0 denotes off, 1 denotes on. Types of logic gates. Logic gate is classified into two types, basic logic gates and universal logic gates. AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate is called as basic logic gates. NAND gate and NOR gate are universal gates. AND gate. AND gate has two inputs and one output. It performs multiplicative function, that is A into B. For the output to be high, both inputs must be high. 1 into 1 gives high output. OR gate. OR gate has two input and one output. It performs additive function, that is A plus B. For the output to be high, at least one of the inputs must be high. Can be both input also high. 1 plus 1, 1. NOT gate. It has only one input and one output. It performs logical inversion. For the output to be high, the input must be low. For the output to be low, the input must be high. NAND gate. NAND gate has two input and one output. For the output to be high, both inputs A and B must not be high. This is equivalent to an AND gate with its output inverted by a NOT gate, that is bubbled AND. The formula is inversion of A into B. NOR gate. NOR gate has two input and one output. For the output to be high, both inputs A or B is low. This is equivalent to an OR gate with its output inverted by a NOT gate. It is also called as bubbled OR. Its function is inversion of A plus B. Exclusive OR gate. It has two inputs and one output. For the output to be high, if one of the input A or B is high but not both, that is, add number of input must be high. Functions of AND gate. A into B, OR gate A plus B, NOT gate A inverse, NAND gate A into B inverse, NOR gate inverse of A plus B. Let us see simple circuits using logic gates. Tape recorder. For recording circuits, we have to press record button and play button simultaneously. Then only the recording function working. A low temperature indicator in a greenhouse. Here, the alarm can be tested at any time by closing the test switch high. Here the temperature sensor is connected with NOT gate and then connected with OR gate. The switch is also connected with OR. The output of OR connected with an alarm. When the greenhouse is warm, the input from the temperature is high. So the output temperature of NOT gate is 0. When the switch is open, it also 0. Both inputs are 0. The output of the OR gate is also 0. The alarm did not work. When the temperature in the greenhouse becomes low, the output will be low. The output is connected to the NOT gate, which results high input. The switch may be connected or not, the alarm will work. A nighttime rain alarm. Here we have two sensors, light sensor and moisture sensor. Light sensor watches the daylight, moisture sensor watches the moisture in the air. Here light sensor is connected with the NOT gate. Both sensor is connected with the AND gate. AND gate is connected with the alarm. During the day, the output of light sensor is high. So the output of NOT gate is low, that is 0. AND gate performs multiplicative function. So both input must be high, then only the alarm will work. During the night time, the light sensor output is 0. The NOT gate output is high. When the rain falls, the moisture sensor output becomes high. The AND gate received both high input, then the alarm is switched on. Knowledge check. How many inputs does a NOT gate have? NOT gate has only one input. What is required for the output of a NAND gate to be high? Both inputs A and B must not be high.